We are here at PB Elder Law, the only firm in Western New York that is dedicated to elder law. And today, we are going to learn about the importance of a power of attorney. Charles Beinhauer is a partner at the firm.
Well, Melanie, a power of attorney is a legal document in which an individual is able to appoint someone else to act for them in situations when they are either unavailable because they're out of the country, or they're traveling, or they have suffered from an illness and they're no longer able to act for themselves.
When you say unable to act, what do you mean by that specifically?
Well, what I mean by that is that in the course of our life, we do many things. We buy real estate, we open financial and close financial accounts, many different types of financial transactions. And a power of attorney allows another individual to perform those actions for you, so that if you wanted to invest some money and you weren't available locally, your power of attorney could go and could sign all of those documents to open that account and transfer those assets. They also can, if you draw the power of attorney properly, they can make gifts on your behalf. They can transfer your assets if you're in a crisis situation. They're able to move assets from one account to another so that you're able to preserve some assets for your family.
When might you need one? When is the time to start talking about preparing one?
Well, in my case, I have 3 children. On their 18th birthday, each one of them signed a power of attorney and a healthcare proxy, and they appointed myself and their mother to act for them in case something ever happened. We don't know when a time will come when you might lose the ability to act. It could have a car accident, it could be an illness. This COVID has certainly awakened us to other possibilities that most of us had never thought of. So I think the earlier that you sign a power of attorney, the better. If you don't have one today, tomorrow is maybe too late. So everyone needs it. As soon as we become responsible and have any type of assets, a power of attorney is critical, I think.
Wow, that is something that I would have thought is something you would think of well down the track in your life, not so early on. So if you are wanting to do something like this, how does PB Elder Law help people with power of attorneys?
Well, what we do is we review an individual situation, and a power of attorney can be very narrow in scope, or it could be very, very broad. It could cover every aspect of your financial life and any transactions that you might have to do. So depending on where you are in life, we judge that, and then we give recommendations as to the extensiveness of the power of attorney.
And if someone wants to get a power of attorney, what's the best way to reach out to you guys?
The best way is to call our firm. All of us in the firm are well versed in power of attorneys. We focus our practice on estate planning, and a power of attorney is an integral, important document in that process.
Thank you so much, Mel and Charles. Such important and eye-opening information that we really seldom think about unless it's too late. Now, you can contact PB Elder Law to discuss these important documents if you need somebody who really knows their stuff. All the information is on the screen. Also, we'll have it at WKBW.com.